I'm Kimberly Kay with your entertainment report from MidHudsonNews.com. Heather Locklear is engaged to fellow Melrose Place actor Jack Wagner. The actress's divorce from Bon Jovi guitarist Richie Sambora was finalized in April 2007. She had been dating Wagner since at least 2008. Locklear and Wagner worked together in the 1990s on Melrose Place, a spin-off of Beverly Hills 90210. Locklear played Amanda Woodward. Wagner played Dr. Peter Burns. Locklear also starred on the primetime soap opera Dynasty and the William Shatner police drama T.J. Hooker. Now, Wagner is not just an actor. He sang the 1980s pop hit All I Need, and he's an accomplished golfer who twice has won the American Century Celebrity Golf Championship, an event usually won by professional athletes. Well, he wrote and sang Warrant's biggest hit, Heaven. Johnny Lane also wrote their second biggest hit, Cherry Pie, even though he ended up detesting the song. With his long blonde hair, Lane was the epitome of the hair metal era. He joined Warrant in 1984, quit in 92, and then had an on-again, off-again relationship with them. Lane appeared in VH1's Celebrity Fit Club in 2005. His body was found in a hotel in Los Angeles. He was just 47. Well, even though most people thought she was a shoo-in to win, Melanie thought she'd come in second to Sasha on So You Think You Can Dance. Instead, it was the other way round. Melanie came in first and Sasha came in second. Marco was third. Melanie wins $250,000. She tells People.com she wants to use some of the money to go back to school to study dance and learn how to choreograph. She also wants to spend time with her boyfriend. Well, they've announced the musical guests for the first two episodes of Saturday Night Live. Radiohead will kick off the 37th premiere on September 24th. We heard earlier, of course, that Alec Baldwin was going to host. It will be his 16th time hosting, breaking the tie he had for the record with Steve Martin. And Lady Antebellum will be the musical guest for the second episode, hosted by Melissa McCarthy. In local entertainment news, the Elvis Memorial Tribute featuring Joe Elvis Borelli will be held Saturday, August 20th from 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. at the American Legion Post 150. That's at Broadway and East O'Reilly Street in Kingston. Just a $4 donation is requested. It includes food in the show and a cash bar available, and it is open to the public. That's your latest entertainment report. For a new update daily, log on to MidHudsonNews.com. I'm Kimberly Kay.